So the power dollars from Dodge is still going on again, which it was only extended to the 3rd of September, but now it's to the 30th. If you were trying to buy a Dodge Challenger or whatever within these last couple months, right now seems to be a real good time with that incentive that they got going on. So originally the deal was for up until September 3rd, but obviously there's still like tons of Challenger Hellcats and Scat Packs all on the dealership lot. So they extended it to 9/30. So here's a picture real quick of the rebates for all the vehicles, and it's extended to 9/30 now. So you got up until the end of September. But this is the thing, I feel like they're gonna stretch this to the end of the year just because they're trying to push those 2020 models out. And I'm pretty sure everybody knows about this. Now, I wanna get one thing clear because it seems like a lot of people are confused about it. And I'm not a know-it-all, I don't know everything, but I do know certain facts about that deal. The incentive for the $700 all the way to $7,000 dollars off of any of those vehicles, that is not for a leased vehicle. If you want those deals, you have to buy the car. That is for a purchased vehicle only. So just to get that cleared up, because I know there's a lot of confusion about if you can get those deals off of leasing or if you could just do it if it's just for buying. It is for a lease vehicle. It's for a purchase vehicle only. So you cannot get that deal if you want to lease. Second thing I want to do, if you're one of those people who watch the prices online and you know what dealers are giving good deals, what dealers are not. So be careful with that, because a lot of dealers are getting greedy with that rebate going on right now. So everybody that's been following me knows I want a Hellcat. That's gonna be my next car, or a BMW. I'm really stuck between the two, but most likely a Hellcat. I've been watching numbers on Hellcats for like the last 6-7 months, man. So I know I've been seeing them go up, I've been seeing them go down. It's just because certain dealers are trying to get greedy. So if a rebate comes out, they jack the price back up online to make up for the rebate so they can make the most money. Obviously, it's a dealership. We all know how they work. They here to steal money. That's pretty much how it works. So if you are one of those people who have not been watching the prices of the cars and stuff, be careful, because a lot of dealerships are discounting them with the rebate already included, and they're pretty much not gonna knock anything extra off for you. So be careful with that. I think that's it, man. I think right now is pretty much the best time to buy one. If you're looking for one, you want to buy it, you feel like you're gonna keep this car, it's pretty much a good time to buy them. I can go over a little bit about how you should go about buying them. The first thing you want to do, man, is, again, I'm not a know-it-all, but just a few things I've worked on how to get certain deals. Work on MSRP first of the car. Get it discounted as much as possible, and then throw in that $7,000 rebate or whatever rebate for whatever vehicle you're getting. If you're getting a V6 model, then it's $10 per horsepower on that one too. But I think it's a pretty good deal going on right now. I wanna pull the trigger and get one right now, but I want to lease. I don't want to buy one, so it's not gonna work out for me. And leases are averaging on Hellcats right now high 7s, 8, mid 800s. So I'm waiting for the new one. I want the hopefully 426 motor that comes out, if it comes out. That's what I'm waiting on. Or if I'll take a wide body Charger if it's the 800 horsepower one. But I'm not settling for a 19 no more. I wanted one, but I'm not gonna take one. I'm trying to think what else I can do for you. I can include in this video for y'all. But that's what I really want to make this video about. The deal is still going. One dealership I want you guys to don't waste your time with this. And there's one guy on the Facebook page that got lucky with him. He got a pretty good solid deal with them. But I know they are a switch and bait dealership 100%. It's the Chapman Dodge Chrysler Jeep of Horseman or something like that. I can't think of the actual name, but if you go on cars.com, you'll see they got like 7 Hellcat Chargers and like 4 Hellcat Challengers. They are discounted crazy low. I mean like mid 55s, 55,000 for a brand new 19, and they got several cars in that price range. 55 to like 62 discount, and they're $72,000 MSRP cars. And if you're not one of those, you know, smart people where that car's been on that lot for months and it's discounted at that kind of price, why isn't it selling? Like, it just, you know, you got to put 2 and 2 together. So they're a big switch, bait and switch dealership. They get you in there, and then you don't qualify for all of the crazy rebates that they got included in the website, but don't show you what the rebates are. So be careful with a bunch of those dealerships, because you'll get those online. Other than that, man, hopefully most of y'all find a car y'all want. Good luck with doing the searching, because it's gonna be, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be pushing these cars out, because 2020 is coming. It's only got 4 more months and 2 more months before they actually start doing orders for them. So October, November. So yeah, so 2 more months before they start doing orders for 2020. I honestly think they're gonna push this deal all the way to the end of the year, because they want these cars out. They want the cars off the lot, man. A lot of people were saying that it's the 50th anniversary for the Challenger too, so I'm pretty sure hopefully they're gonna do some special edition for that too. So y'all see something going on pretty soon. Good luck searching for y'all new car, man. Hopefully if you probably gonna take advantage of that deal, good luck with the search. Just pay attention to all the numbers, man. Don't let a dealership rob you, because that's what with that deal that's going off, $7,000 off, that's the easy way for a dealership to make $7,000, you know, because all they got to do is change the price on their discount and throw in a $7,000 rebate, and you know, you still technically, to them, you got a deal when you could have got $7,000 off plus another $7,000 rebate. Instead of getting 14 grand off, they're gonna take off 7. They're gonna put the 7 grand back on to the total price of the car and then give you the rebate. You know, so just pay attention to that, because I know a lot of cars, before this rebate, you could probably get like 9-8 grand off a car plus the rebate, but most dealerships aren't gonna do that for you, because they want the most money possible. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Listen, again, one last time, man, good luck with the car if y'all find anything I like. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Stay tuned for the next video. Good luck with y'all search. Hopefully y'all find the car y'all want. Oh, I'm sorry about this truck. But good luck on y'all search, man. Hopefully you guys find the car you want. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.